In this video, I'll guide you through how to download and install uTorrent in Windows 11 computer. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, you open a web browser and search for uTorrent and open the first website. After come to the uTorrent official website, you need to find uTorrent Classic and click on free download. Now choose your plan and click on download button. But for this video, I am going with the free plan. So I need to click on the download button after free plan. Then uTorrent will start download on your computer. Once the download process is complete, then double click on it to install it and hit yes. Now click on this next button. Again click on next. Now you need to agree their privacy policy and click on accept. Now choose your installation option and click on next. Again click on next button. After wait for few seconds, your installation process is complete. Now click on finish button. Then uTorrent will open on your computer. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily download and install uTorrent in Windows 11 computer.